Hello YouTubers, yeah. So yesterday my 2002 Trailblazer would not start. Every time I try to turn it on, it will make an annoying noise, like a beeping noise. It wouldn't start. It wouldn't crank. Right now I believe it starts. Check it out. Yeah. It starts. So pretty much all I did was unhook the battery, hit the starter, just unhook this boy, and I restarted the computer. I think the computer has like some kind of malfunction where it doesn't want to, where it's reading something and it doesn't want it to start because it thinks that I have no idea why. I'm just guessing from here. All I did was unhook the battery and then it started. I did hit the starter a few times too. We'll see. I'll keep you updated if something else happens. Alright.